welcome back to Ilm Academy. For this session, we are doing Math 7th edition syllabus D for O levels. This is D1. In this tutorial, we are doing exercise 1A of this book. This is basic level, then it comes intermediate level, then it comes advanced level. So we are doing the basic level of exercise, which have 7 questions in this exercise. So there is question 1. Determine whether each of the following is a prime number or a composite number. So we have to determine it. So in A part, the composite number is the any number which have more than 2 factors, and the prime number is any number which have only 2 factors, the one itself and the other number. So 87 have more than 2 factors, so it is composite number. Then it comes to the B part, 67. It is a prime number because it has only 2 factors. The first factor is 1 and the second factor is 67 itself. It is not divisible by any other number. Then it comes 73, the C part. It is also a prime number because it have only 2 factors. Then there is a D part, 91. It is a composite number because it have 3 factors, 1, 7 and 91. So more than 2 factors are the composite numbers. Then it comes to question 2. Find the prime factorization of each of the following number, leaving your answer in index notation. So let's find what is index notation. The figure that are too large to write can be contracted in the form of index notation. Just like the A part of the question 2, 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 72. So we can constrict these 3 2's into 2 cube and 3 in these 2 3 into 3 square. So this is known as index notation. Then it comes 187. It have no numbers that can be constricted, so it is not there is no index of it. Then it comes 336. There are factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 4 2's into 3 into 7, so the 2 become 4, 2 raised power 4, and 3 into 7 is its index form. Then it comes into D part, 630. Its factor is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So the index notation is 2 into 3 square because these two 3's combined to form 3 square into 5 into 7. Then we come to the question 3. Find each of the following using prime factorization. So we have to find them using prime factorization by factorizing them. So 1764 have the factor 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 means 2 2's, 2 3's and 2 7's. These are combined. 2 is combined 2 square, 3 is combined into 3 square, 7 combines into 7 square, and these 2 into 3 into 7 become 42 in the square root. Because of the square root, the squares are cut down. Then it comes the B part, 576 square root. So here is the factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we will make the set of 2's in square root, because in the square root we have to make the set of 2's, and in cube root we have to make the set of 3. But don't make the set of 3 in the square root, only 2. So here the 2 will 2 square, 2 square, 2 square and 3 square, and these squares are cut with the square root, and then it comes 2 into 2 into 3 is 24. Then it comes the C part, cube root of 3, 3, 5, 7. Here we take the set of 3 because it is a cube root. So these come 3 square and 5 square is 3 into 5 is 15. So then similar to this, it have the factors 3, 2, 3, 2 and then 3. Not more than 3 sets you can make. So is 2 cube and 3 cube. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. Then come to question 4. Given that the prime factorization of 9801 is 3 raised power 4 into 11 raised power 2, find 9801 without using calculator. So here we find 9801. So we opened these factors in here, and now we make the set of 2's in the square root and then cut the squares with the square root, and the answer will be 99. Then here is the question 5. Given that the prime factorization of 21952 is 2 raised power 6 into 10 raised power 3, find cube root of 21952 without using calculator. So here 2195 have the factors 2, 3 2's, 3 2's and then 3 7. So it's cube root. So 3 3 3 are cut down and 2 square. 1 from this become 2 square and 1 from this becomes 7. So it's 2 square into 7 is 28. Then estimate the value of each of the following. We have to estimate. First come to the A part. In estimation we have to deduct or add any number to it to estimate it properly. So in 66 we make it 64. That 8 have the square of 64, so 8 square is 64, answer is 8. Then 80 is estimated to 81, so 9 square is 81, so the answer is 9. Then it's a cube root, so 218 is estimated to 216, so cube of 6 is 216, so the answer is 6. Then it comes to the D part, where cube root of 730 is estimated to 729. So 9 cube is 729, so the answer is 9. Remember that these cubes are cut down with these cube roots. Then come to question 7. Use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places where necessary. Here is 7 square minus 361 plus 21 cube. So the answer is this 9291. So the buttons we press in the calculator: 7 button, then x square button, minus button, then square root button, then plus button, then 21 button, then x cube button. And then in B part is square root of 5 plus 5 square 2 cube into cube root of 2 to 2. So it's 1.0024 according to 4 decimal places, which are given above to find the answer in 4 decimal places. So first you have to find square root of 555, then plus button, then 5 button, then x square button, then is equal. The answer with this, note down it on the paper. Then on the other side press 2 button, x cube button, multiply button, shift button, cube root button and the 2 button, and write down another answer down to this. And then the answer from this and answer from this, divide these 2 answers. Then come to the C part. Here the first thing you have to do, 4 button, x cube button, plus button, shift button, cube root button and 4913 button. Then you conclude the answer of 81. Then you will solve these upper square root like this. The square root button, then 81 button is 9. Thank you very much for video. The next video will about the intermediate level of exercise 1A. Thank you very much for watching Ilm Academy.